Yesterday we have learned about spherical lenses, and before that there are two types of lenses we are studying in this last time in our syllabus: convex lens or concave. So today we are going to learn that how image is formed by using these convex, by using these spherical lenses. Especially today we will learn about how image is formed by using convex lens. Right? So there are some rules which light follows. Okay, just like in concave or convex mirrors, just like in mirrors, we had certain rules. So we have some rules here also. The rules are: so we draw a convex lens here, and a line which passes through a certain point. That particular point is known as O, that is optical center. Optical center, and this is principal axis. Principal axis, optical center. Two focuses. The focus 1, f1, and f2. Why we have two focuses? Yes. Why we have two focuses? F1 and f2. Is there any reason why we have two focuses? Yes, tell me. It is made by using two surfaces. Yes. Any other reason why it has two focus? This is a very simple one, because it's a lens. Light can cross from any side, from this side also and this side also. Okay, but we are considering what we consider. Generally, we consider that we put the object on the left side of it. Okay, mirror or lens, right? But mirror has one part polished and other one is reflected. But lens, we have both sides of it. Light can enter from any side, right? That's why if it enters from this side, the focus will be there. If light enters from this side, the focus will be there. What we consider for easy calculation and for easy understanding and for generalization, that we take object from this side. Okay, we place object from this side, right? So now we have focus 1 and focus 2. And we know that it is from two sphere. So there must be one center here, because of this curvature. So we take that particular center. 2f1, we call it 2f1. This is center of curvature. Center of curvature. Also we have 2f2. Why we take 2f1 and 2? We take double f1. This means that the distance between these, this means that this f1 is the midpoint of O and f2. Just like in concave mirror. आपने देखा ना f जो है center of curvature और पोल के बीच का जो center है, geometrically, right? So this f1 is the center of midpoint of this O and the center of curvature. Listen, there is a one thing also I would like to mention here. This particular thing is aperture. Aperture means how high or low the lens is. Means the maximum diameter at which the light can enter. This is the maximum diameter from which light can enter this lens. This is called the aperture. Right? Aperture is the distance, the highest maximum distance at which light can enter through the lens. Right? This is called aperture. So now the rule is, we will apply some rule here. The first rule is, we already know about that. Yesterday we have learned that convex lens is a type of lens. The other name of convex lens is converging lens. Converging lens means it converges the incoming incident rays. Right? So the first rule is that when we inform images, right? So the first rule is that light coming parallel to the principal axis, then it refracts in such a way that it passes through F2. It passes through F2. So here we have the first rule that a line parallel to principal axis refract and pass through the focus. Pass through the focus. The first rule is that line incident ray parallel to the principal axis, refract and then pass through the focus. The second rule is that suppose any incident ray any idea? What will happen? It will be parallel. Nice, very nice. So the light ray coming from the focus will be parallel to the principal axis. This is rule number 2. We have number 2 that light, ray, we can say ray coming from focus refract parallel to the principal axis. The last one is that suppose any ray is passed through this optical center. So what will happen? Of course it will. So the light ray coming from the optical center refract undeviated. Okay? Yes. Without angling. Okay? It do not divert its path. Okay? Due to some geometrical arrangement of this particular lens. We see in हमने मिरर के केस में देखा था कि जब ये आप एक सर्किल बनाते हैं और सर्किल पर आपने एक सेंटर से टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करते हैं, ठीक है ना? तो कोई भी रे जब इंसिडेंट होती है तो वो परपेंडिकुलर होती है, सही ना? तो परपेंडिकुलर होती है तो उसी पाथ पर रिफ्लेक्ट होती है, ये हमने देखा, ठीक है? रिफ्लेक्ट। तो सेम ये परपेंडिकुलर तो नहीं होगी, लेकिन इसकी ज्योमेट्री भी कुछ ऐसी है कि जो ज्योमेट्रिकली ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से जब क्रॉस होगी तो वैसे ही पास होगी विदाउट डेविएशन, ठीक है? then refracted ray will be passed through the focus. The second one is that if incident ray is coming from focus, then it will be guided. The third one is this: if it passes through the optical center, then it will remain undetected. Okay, and draw and take its original path, right? So with the help of these rules, we will apply these rules and we will try to figure it out that how image is formed when object is placed in front of this particular lens, right? So let us see some simulations here. I have already mentioned here. Look at this. First of all, we will learn here what are the radius of curvature and the aperture. What are the aperture? And then we will mention here how image is formed, and we will apply these rules. Okay. So now look at this. Listen. Radius of curvature here is, and here is the diameter. This diameter means this particular range, aperture. Look at this. If I increase or decrease the diameter, what will happen? Look at this. If we increase the diameter, increase or decrease the diameter, what's happening? The size is decreasing. Look at this. If I increase, so what's happening? The area is increasing with the size of the lens is increasing, right? Yes, sir. If the light rays can enter from this part also, if we increase the diameter, so we increase the aperture. Now, if we increase the radius of curvature, radius means that the curveness. This is the curveness. This is the radius. Means it will be more curved or less curved. If we increase or decrease the radius of curvature. Look at this. Look at this. If we increase the radius of curvature, it is more flattened than previous one. If we decrease, जैसे ऐसा समझ ये सिंपल आप ऐसे समझ लीजिए कि जैसे कि आप स्मॉल सर्किल, तो उसका एक पार्ट होगा, तो ये स्मॉल सर्किल की रेडियस ऐसी होगी, और लार्ज सर्किल अगर होगा कोई लार्ज सर्किल, तो उसका ये पार्ट कुछ ऐसा होगा, ये थोड़ा सा फ्लैट है, ठीक है ना, थोड़ा सा फ्लैट। तो इसमें इसी तरह की चीज है। सिंपल अगर मैं इसकी रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर को कम कर देता हूँ, तो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर कम कर देने से ये कर्व पार्ट थोड़ा सा बढ़ जाता है, राइट? So now these are the things. Now look at this. How image is formed. So let us increase the radius of curvature here. Okay. Here is the radius of curvature. Now these 2 points are the points. These are the focal points. Okay. These are two focuses. Right. So let us measure that how at what distance these are the focus. So what we do? We have 100 centimeter. So this is the, look at this. From this optical center and from this we have 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Now the radius of curvature will be at, the center of curvature will be at 200 centimeter. The center will be at 200. So the center of curvature will be like here. The point will be like here. Right?
Yes, sir.
So now look at this. Here is the point. This is center of curvature. Now we also put one center of curvature here, so that we can find out that where the image is formed. The other center of curvature will be like here. Now look at this. Okay. Now let us see that if we place the object in front of the convex mirror, where will be the images formed and what type of nature the image will be and will have. So now look at this. We have some cases here. There could be some cases. Object may be between O and F, and object may be at F1. Object may be between F1 and 2F1, and object may be at 2F1, and it may be beyond 2F1. Or for the last case is at infinity. So infinity is very easy. Infinity case means always the image be always be at focus. Don't worry about it. Now suppose I place the object here beyond 2F1. Now what will happen? I have placed the object. Let us see that we apply our rules. And we see that where image will form. So image, look at this. There are certain rules. The one is parallel. This one is parallel. It passes through the focus. The second one is optical center without undeviated. The third one is from focus and the parallel rules. So where they are meeting? They are meeting at this particular point. Before 2F2. And can you predict the size? Can you see the size? The size is smaller than the object. And are they actually meeting or not? Actually meeting. So in this case, the image is real, inverted, and big. Smaller in size. And also the between F2 and 2F2. दो रेस से भी बन जाए. मार्जिनल अगर मैं करूँ यहाँ पर सिंपल, तो ये अलग दो रेस. और भी मैं बहुत सारे रेस डाल दूँ, तो भी तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि इमेज यही बनेगी. बट मैंने वो रेस डाली है जो प्रिंसिपल्स, जो कि जो रूल में है, जो 3 रूल में. ठीक है. Now suppose I place the object here. Now look at this. What's going on? If I place the object at 2F1, what's going on? The image is formed as 2F2. What will be the nature of this image? Yes. What is the real and inverted? Can you predict the size? Same size. It is same size. It is of same size. Now think about what will happen if I place the object nearby. अगर मैं इसको ऑब्जेक्ट को और अंदर लेके जाऊँ close to F1, what will happen? Look at this. मैंने इसका थोड़ा ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज छोटा कर दिया. Now if I place the object yes, look at this. If I place the object between F1 and 2F1, so the image is formed here beyond 2F2 and the size of image is L. Size of image is L. Yes. तुम बता सकते हो? What would happen if I slide this object to F1? What will happen? और साइज बढ़ेगा. ठीक है. मैं इधर अगर थोड़ा सा और बढ़ा दूं तो इसका साइज और बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है. अभी हमारी स्क्रीन से बाहर चला जाएगा. लेकिन अगर हम इसी को बढ़ाते तो चले जाए. Now if you place this one is at, look at this. Look at the arrangement. Look at that. Now look at that. These two looks like parallel. So they are not meeting anywhere on this side. But what is considered? It is considered that maybe it meets somewhere at infinity. बनेगी. ही करते थे, हम ये मानते थे कि इंफिनिटी से आने वाला फोकस पे बन रहा है, तो हम वाइस वर्सा ये मान लेते थे कि फोकस पे रहने वाला इंफिनिटी बनेगा. But if we see the geometry, these are the parallel lines, and parallel lines doesn't meet anywhere in this plane surface. Okay, यूक्लिडियन कहते हैं ज्योमेट्री, ठीक है. बाकी एक दूसरी ज्योमेट्री जिसमें प्लेन लाइन मीट कर जाती है, स्ट्रेट लाइन मीट कर जाती है, कोई अलग है, स्फेरिकल, दैट इज डिफरेंट थिंग. Now imagine what will happen if I place the object, if I slide this object more close to the lens. Look at this. So can you tell me the nature of this object? Image? Virtual है? Why are you calling this image as virtual? Yes. दूसरी तरफ पर नहीं. This is the reason. दूसरी तरफ तो इस तरफ सेम साइड बनना है, एक लॉजिक है. सेम साइड बनेगी तो listen. Yes. देखो सुनो. ओके. तुमने लॉजिक दिया सेम साइड बनने की, तो सेम साइड बनने वाली इमेज जो है वो वर्चुअल होगी. अगर हम बात करें मिरर, कॉन्केव मिरर में सेम साइड बनती है लेकिन रियल इमेज बनती है, तो ये लॉजिक तो नहीं चलेगा. लेंस से बाहर नहीं, ऐसा भी नहीं. नो. यस. हेड ऊपर इस वजह से.
सर वो हम ये रोइए, सर वो हम ये रोइए मीट लेके.
Yes, this is the actual vision. Listen. Now look at the refracted rays. Boys, focus. Now look at the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray going this side, and this is going this side. Now think about geometry. These two lines are separated more and more in this side. So actually, in real, these two lines are not gonna meet in this side. Yes. So what? Now, if we extend virtually these reflected rays, they appear to be meet at these particular point. So this is the reason. If they appear to meet, then we call that image as virtual. They do not really meet. If they virtually meet, we call it that the image is virtual. Right? That's why this is called virtual image. Right? So here these are the cases of spherical lenses that if we place the object, तो इसकी एक पर्टिकुलर टेबल बना लेंगे हम लोग. राइट? ये ऑब्जेक्ट को यहाँ रखेंगे, रखने की जरूरत नहीं. जस्ट अप्लाई these three rules और इसके क्या कहते हैं इसको रे डायग्राम जब हम बनाएंगे तो ज्योमेट्री का खास ख्याल रखेंगे. थोड़ा सा लेंथ और फोकस को सही जगह मेंशन करेंगे तो आप अच्छे से इसको बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, वो रूल अप्लाई करते हैं. ठीक है, किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है? एनी क्वेश्चन? ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.